All right, we're back. He brought those breaks. This is actually going to be not a true break here. This is something that we know what we ordered, but it's cool. Through Panini, it's a redemption card. So you get a card from the pack. I actually ended up getting it on eBay. Let's see what it looks like here. Here we go. Whoa. Look at that, guys. Shaquille Oneal, 20 out of 99. That's when he was with Orlando Magic. Autographed. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful card right here. Shaquille Oneal, Magic. We're still waiting for our Kobe. Kobe's coming soon. Put them up next to each other. All right, thanks.